entrepreneurs have an advantage over everybody else. Most people look at the cost or the risk of doing something.
Yes.
That is their bias because they're trying to avoid dying, not just physically, but emotionally, being blamed or shamed, right? Which is a horrible thing. And most entrepreneurs have experienced that. It's not nice if you get blamed or shamed, if you get haters. What entrepreneurs have intuitively is they also look at the cost of doing nothing. And if the cost of doing nothing is much, much greater than the cost or risk of doing something, they have a bias towards action.
Yes.
And that's a very useful bias to have, right? And that's why only about 2 to 5% of people become entrepreneurs. That's about the percentage of people where their bias is towards action, simply because they have intuitively or through lots of failures learned that you can't just look at the cost and risk of doing something. You have to look at the cost and risk of not doing something.